Hey, this is Logansfarm here with Nick, and we're going to do a beer review, dual beer review. Me and Nick are going to each review our own choices that we got. We're going to each do a review, a little small, short review on them, and we'll try each other's brew, and then let me know what we think of that, and then we'll proceed to drink them down as fast as we can in the video here, and yeah, make that what we can do with that. So the cameraman woman is going to take this now. Quality might not be the greatest due to the fact that these are doing this off my, cheap Android phone, because it's the only way I can upload videos right now, really. So, yeah, I might want to talk a little loud in case you can't hear us, but woogie. Sorry, I need a motivational stick. What I got for you guys today is Old English 800 brand. I don't think I've done a personal review on this. I've maybe done a review with 92 Green Z34. I don't know if I've done one with him, but I know we've drank these before. I think we've done a 40 chug challenge. But from what I remember, it's 8% alcohol or 8.1, if I remember right. Not positive on that, but it's a malt liquor. Really, there's nothing on this bottle. It's just Old English brand 800
malt too. I didn't know that.
Yeah, malt liquor. Looks like the same as a Mickey's 40 bottle, except for this one's clear. Probably same company. We'll crack her open. Not much of a hiss. Not much for bubbles.
Blows up.
Definitely smells like a malt liquor. Got a strong odor.
Yeah.
Foams up easy. Yep, definitely a foam burp. Don't taste too bad. It tastes like kind of tastes like a high grab hurricane. Not too bad. I could drink it again. I probably will. Not my favorite brew, but it was cheap, and it'll give me a buzz if I drink it fast enough, so, well. So we're going to go over here and let Nick do a little quickie on his.
Alright, for you guys, I'm rocking Hurricane malt liquor. Alcohol content, not really sure.
I think it's an 8% too. I'm not
just winging it out there. Alright, let's take a sip. It's a sign from God right now. Get it? My hands are all fucking moist. Yeah.
There was like no poop on that thing at all.
No.
Oh yeah, you put on the big lip pants today.
Definitely punch taste to it. Don't really taste like much of anything. Tastes like a beer. Yeah.
Would you drink it again?
Yeah. Maybe drink her again.
Ugh, got one sitting down in there. Well, you take a try of that. See what you think of that.
Ooh. Yours has definitely got more of a taste to it.
Well, let's see what the old... Tastes like a flat beer.
Mm-hmm.
Which may be beneficial at some point. Not much for... Yeah, really no taste to it.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like beer. Like a flat beer, like water. Judging by the carbonation of it, there it was. I knew that was coming.
You got a bigger butt burp coming up.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I knew that gulp of CO2 was coming down.
Bet you rugby love if I shit myself. I just don't want to fart right now.
There's still one sitting there.
Well, here we go.
There we go. we go.
I'm trying to like hit straight to the pit of the stomach.
Ugh, that was a good foam. Ooh, yeah. I think this whole English has some burping potential in it. Ugh. Oh yeah.
Ooh, I'm getting on the phone. We gotta burp past that.
The bucket is over there.
You know.
At least you won't waste the thing, you just turn it back down. Want some Cap Martin?
Ha 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 ha! Hilarious. Do a review on that.
I'll give you $100 if you can drink it.
You can give me more than fucking $100. You give me your fucking paycheck.
I couldn't do that. I'd give you $100 if you can drink it.
$200. I'll do it.
That's almost too much. We'll see how taxes go.
I'll have more taxes.
You still have around $200.
What is 200? I don't know. I'm getting like $5 grand. I don't think I'm really gonna. Yeah.
Ooh,
Waiting for you to catch up.
You're also drinking water compared to what I'm drinking. As far as the taste and texture goes.
Yeah, yours has got a taste.
I don't want to escape all the way to the back, sorry.
Oh,
What?
it's got a punch to it.
Does not.
Let's do it. Sure, let's review wafting, analysis.
I haven't smelled it. Ooh. God damn. Hope you enjoy this rugby. I heard the foam.
Yeah.
Hey, tripod, stop that.
Okay, I feel bad. I think that's where all my burps were coming. One here, burp there. You think you gotta drink your beer through your ass?
If anybody else has a laughing tripod, I do. It also eats all my food.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh,
I'm also feeding your kids.
She ain't even out yet.
Exactly.
It's also a talking tripod. There you go. What are we up to?
8:20.
Well, I might not have this finished completely by the end of the video, but at least we got some good burps out.
fucking Peggy. I was wondering that. That's my mother who ripped me off tonight. Supposed to give me $5 to go get 2 40s. It'll give me $3. And what she said, 50 cents, was a quarter and a shitload of pennies.
Ugh, too much carbonation. I'm done.
But,
Ugh. Well, we'll cut her off there, guys. Take care.